This world has gone to the birds, hasn't it? This world has gone to the birds. I'm scratching my head. There we are. Oh. Update, update, update. Hey, I don't mind if you unsub to my channel. I don't care. I've got a job. I bought some more flowers today for my garden because I'm doing up the garden. Yeah. I'm having a drink of I don't know if you get that in Australia or America, but this is really nice orange drink. Yeah, so I went down to the warehouse and bought $40 2 plants. $40, but that's alright. I didn't get much sleep last night. No. Yeah. No. Yeah, didn't go to church today. That's alright. Yeah. So. But yeah, it's getting warmer. It's supposed to rain on Tuesday and rain here on, I think, Thursday. Rain. Yeah. No, I don't mind you unsubbing my channel. If you don't like my videos, you don't have to watch them. I'm not making you. And I know a lot of people got busy lives to lead. So if you don't wanna watch my videos, you don't have to. I'm not making you. Just that I'm an Alien one took off, and I think that was the algorithm, YouTube, but I don't mind. But we've all gone to the birds, and that. Yeah. But I'll once I get my GoPro, which probably December, and I'll stick up some more good content. And what I'll do, I'll get a been saying this for a long time. Good video editor, but I don't know how to install it. I do, but you got to pay for them. Yeah, it's funny how like Apple iMac took off my internet and editor. Now I've got to pay for it. But I don't know how to edit. Yeah. Well, I do. Well, I don't. No, I don't. I don't know how to edit. I don't know how to edit at all. And some sad news on the bird front. The little nest with the little chickie babes, one's dead, and I don't know where the other starling's gone. And one starling was at my door yesterday, and I put him back in his nest. He's gone. They've gone. Maybe they got asphyxiated with some, or I don't know, but they're gone. Yeah. I can't wait to get my new bed. I'm going to get a double bed, with a nice headboard and a nice good mattress. I can't sleep on this mattress. Yeah. But nearly Christmas, eh? Days are going fast. Weeks are going fast. Months are going fast. Anyway, I got 3.5. I got 3,000 now. So my goal was to get 5,000 by December. So I gotta go, yeah, 5,000 so I can buy Christmas presents. Yeah, well, I'm buying Christmas presents for myself, but I want to get a computer chair as well. If I do leave, move out and get myself a decent place, I'll have everything to shift into it. But that's not going to happen in a long time, but I don't know. It's a tricky one because I can't afford to move out, and a lot of landlords and property managers don't want animals, and I don't trust anybody anymore. And property front, I don't trust anybody anymore. No. Anyway, give it. Look at that. Oh, do it. Look at that. Look. Birds are circling. Look. The birds are circling my drink. Yeah. Look. Yep, so the world's gone to the birds, too many wars. Don't need any more wars. Yeah. I don't know what this thing does. Where's it? Oh. I don't know what happened to the like thing, it just vanished. Oh yeah. Oh no, up. No, up. Up. I don't know what this thing does. It's strange. Up. Don't give it thumbs down. Up. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. What else does it do? Is it? What else do you do? Subscribe. Don't unsubscribe, subscribe. I mean, I can't do Alien. I'm not doing Alien anymore. That's what got me all the hits. I'm not doing Aliens anymore. No more Aliens. I don't believe in them anyway. They're all rubbish. I just do it for fun. I mean, hey. Oh, look at that. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Yay. What about, yeah. Look. Subscribe. Oh, look. Subscribe to my channel. Oh. Have a drink. Firecrackers. Give it likes. Happy birthday. No. Next year I'll be 58. If I live that long. Too much junk food and ice creams will kill me off. But hey, I know. Every day we're above ground. It can be a boring day or a great day. Well, come on, give me firecrackers. Birds are running around in circles. Anyway, it's Sunday. Yeah. Have a great week, guys. My bike's out of commission, so I won't be biking. As I said to Lara, I'm not going to bike anymore. And I will show you around Nelson, but hey, there's not a lot to do in Nelson anymore. Nelson's pretty much a ghost town. Yeah. So yeah. Oh, that's stupid. Don't do that. See, look. But sub to this channel. Sub to this channel, guys. Stupid phone. I can't get an iPhone 15 because
achieve perfect eyesight with these incredible glasses. Millions of people in New Zealanders wear glasses, but what happens when the prescription changes? The only option is to go to the doctor and wait for a new pair, and that
sub to that channel. They're really good. When it does that stupid thing. Home Sweet Homies. Home Sweet Homies. Sub to it. You don't like my channel? Sub to their channel. Anyway, have a good weekend. Yeah. Give it a thumbs up. The more thumbs up and the likes, the more YouTube recognises my channel and my videos. And I know there's a lot of Just Allens out there, but they're all fake. Mine's only Just Allen that's real. The rest are fake.